Now this is when it gets extremely scary. The fifth sign of the coming of the day of judgment, cataclysmic chaos. On the way towards judgment day, there will be cataclysmic chaos in the solar system. And it all begins when the sun will lose its light. In Surah At-Takwir in the Quran, the first verse says, إِذَا الشَّمْسُ كُوِّرَتْ, which is usually translated to when the sun is folded up or gathered. It comes from the root word takwir, which means to be put out as well. To be put out like a fire or a light. And Al-Fakhr al-Razi says that kuwirat comes from kur, which means blindness. And from here, it also points to the dimming of the light, that one can't see, that there's no vision. Now, scientifically speaking, it's the destiny of the sun to eventually become what's known as a white dwarf, which is a dark and cold remnant star that has no light. It's just that this happens extremely slowly. No one knows what could change in the future chain of causes and effects, and that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could bring in a cause that would disrupt and or speed up the process. This will send the cosmos into disarray. The sun would lose its gravitational balance, leaving the planets to drift out of orbit and or collide into all these sorts of stars and collide into each other.